The huawei P30 Pro is here. It has some bunch of cool features that can kill S10. It comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage, which is its base variant. It has 4 rear cameras, one normal 40 megapixel lens, other is wide angle and 5x optical zoom lens, and also a time of light lens for that depth effect. It has a 6.47 inches of display which is FHD OLED. It has an in-display fingerprint scanner and a massive 4200 mAh battery, which is supported by 40-watt USB Type-C charger. It also has wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. It looks amazing in its colors. The starting price for this phone is $77,000. Like, share and subscribe.